Welcome to Diamond Education Hub's teaching tips, suitable for parents, teaching assistants, and teachers. This bite-sized video is about active and passive voice. Keep watching to see more. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this and pop over to our Instagram page for more ideas, inspiration, and knowledge. In active sentences, the subject of the sentence does something to the object. For example, Sandy plays the flute. Sandy is the subject, and the flute is the object. In passive sentences, something is done to the subject. For example, the flute was played by Sandy. The flute is the subject, and the word by can introduce who does the action. Now try these. Is it active or passive? Tommy wears a hat. Is it active or passive? The children crossed the road. Is it active or passive? The balloon was filled with air. Keep watching to check your answers. You can use this video as a lesson starter or as a revision guide for your students. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.